Okay, here we are at the race that we're actually running in. But, you know, we don't start till 4, so we're just standing, waiting for the elites to come in.
Just hanging out.
There's Nick.
Just kicking it. Facebooking.
It's making me really nervous. Here's Eva's Palais, where we spent most of the day yesterday.
We like Eva's Palais.
Yeah. And yeah, it makes me nervous, so I'm trying to, you know, do other things so that I'm not thinking about it. But yeah, here we are in Sweden. Just chilling.
Och avgjordkampen om vilka 3D som ska ta och vara inblandade i den här segern. För det här
Here they come.
46.
We have no idea where we are, but we're guessing that was a fast time.
tätt de här killarna då när de hade stressat att de kom upp för passering 17 kilometer.